Hello dear viewers, that you can see a phone in my hand. This phone model is Redmi 8. This phone model is Redmi 8. Now today I'll show you how to enable call waiting service in Redmi 8 phone. If you want to enable your phone call waiting service in these phones, for this first, I will put the SIM on the phone. When this phone SIM card is ready to use, second time you need to find the option phone style pad option to enable your phone call waiting service. Finding phone dial pad option, you will see an option called phone dial pad. Then click on phone dial pad option. After click on the option on the dial pad, three small will appear in front of you. Then click on the three dot button. You will see an option called call history settings, help and feedback. Then from here you have to click on settings. After click on settings, you will see an option called calling accounts. Then click on calling accounts. After click on calling accounts, you will see an option called call waiting. Then click on call waiting and select your SIM card. This SIM card is enable your phone call waiting service. And you will see an option called call waiting. And finally, if you want to enable your phone call waiting service, you just turn it on this option and enable your phone call waiting service. And you will see an option called open. Then click on open. After click on open, this phone is call waiting service is now enabled. Wait few seconds and enable your phone call waiting service. And if you want to disable your phone call waiting service, you just turn it off and